Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This wig right here I purchased with my own money. This is Outre. This is their daily wig, lace part wig, and I have this in the style Moira and color number 2. If you'd like to see my thoughts on this wig, please keep watching. Alright everyone, I'm back. So my final thoughts on this is that it's very flat. Like, there's not too much volume to this, which I like. A little bit of volume to the hair that I wear. So a look at this parting space. I feel like this is still a very beginner style way. Like, if you're new to wearing wigs, this one's a decent one to start off with if you like straight hair and you don't want a lot of volume. So just because I don't like it, the next person, you may enjoy this type of look, which is fine. So for me, if I were to wear this out, I honestly think that this is perfect for just putting on a hat and going about your day. Like, this is something that I would put a hat on with. Because it's so flat, that makes it good to wear a hat, because there's not too much going on up here as far as like volume with the hair. So I would say this is about 18 to 20 inches. Yeah. So this is not one of my favorites from Outre, but like I said, it may work for somebody else. And along with the parting space, it comes nice, actually really nice, so you don't have to go inside and put powder in it. There was no lace to cut, which makes it all around budget friendly and great for beginners. So I would say, if you like this style of look, along with like the layers in front, hopefully you can see that, with the layers in front, you may like this wig overall. So thank you all for watching. I will be reviewing more wigs from this line, so please stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.